Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing from Beebeecraft. Now, please forgive my voice today. I still have the flu and I'm just been battling between sweats and times where I have to lie down. I've had it for the last 4 or 5 days, so yeah, excuse me if I have to cough or blow my nose. So today I'm unboxing some products for Beebeecraft and showcasing these products for them. Beebeecraft were nice enough to give me these products to do that. Beebeecraft is an online store that sells all sorts of craft supplies. When you get in there, you'll just be looking for hours and putting things in your love box. I've got so many things in my love box. So get on there, make yourself an account so that you can put things into your love box, and it sort of bookmarks them for you. You can easily go back and find what you like. And Beebeecraft also has an online program for YouTubers where if you have more than 100 subscribers, you can be eligible to do this sort of thing. So you just contact them. They have a program that's all set up and you just need to contact them and they'll let you know. All those links will be below for Beebeecraft, and the products that I've got in here will be below. And don't forget, on screen will be a coupon code which is Pleated10, and when you put that in on checkout with your products, you get 10% off. So that's a win. Alright, so let's get started. Now Beebeecraft always send their products double packed, like there's padded, that's padded, and then things inside are also padded, which I love about Beebeecraft. They pay attention to that, which is just really nice. And because you know you want the products to come safe and sound. And my first product I'll show you today is some cutting dies. Is there? Oh, get it off the packet. Right, off you come. Right. Now these cutting dies are... oh, there's 2 in here. Okay. This one is a lady's dress. This will be nice. Let's see if I can unpack it. It may be a little bit hard to see on screen what this actually looks like. So I'll just pop a picture in here. And this actually is, when you cut out this piece here, all these pieces are concertina folded. And then you've got the bodice of the dress here, which comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different bodices. So you can, you can make the dress look different each time when you cut it out. And then you've got decorations you can put on the dress and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll have, yeah. So refer back to the picture, and in the link below, refer back to the product to actually see this done up. But I'll do a video coming up showing you how that goes together. So that looks like it's going to be fun. Now my other die set, you can see where it opens. Is a die set of birds. Now, let's see if I can open this too. Oh, there's lots in here. Okay, now we've got all different sections of the bird, and we'll put them together, which will be fun. So there's 4 different birds in that set. You can see them. And they get layered up as you put them together. I'll put a picture in between here too of what that looks like done. And then when I come to doing these, I'll show you how to put them together as well. So my thought for these birds were, I'll just sit them over here. I wanted to try and put these cut them out on some either fabric or something like that. I was thinking of beading them. That was my thoughts on these birds, because I've got lots of beads and things in here. Yeah. My next product is a pack of, oh, there's quite a few in there. These, oh, there's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now these are gorgeous orangey, like they're, oh yeah, I guess they would be like orangey yellow / goldy sort of coloured sequins and bead mix. So you've got yeah, there's sequins, there's little flower, cut one open. There's sequins, there's little flowers, there's bugle beads. Oh, they're gorgeous. Look how they shine. So you can see the flowers. There's a flower there, there's a shell, there's the bugle beads, there's little long sequins. Are they bugle beads? No, they're not bugle beads, they're long sequins. It's actual sequin mix. Sorry. Oh no, there's a bead. So there are a few beads in there. It's just a mix, I think. So I'm excited to put them together and make something with these, because I wanted to try and incorporate it into these little birds. That was my idea with these. So where am I going to put these beads? These sequins. I'll put them in this packet, hopefully without spilling many. And I'll put them in a container. But they are pretty. They are really pretty. I'll have to get a couple more containers, I think. So quite a lot came. 10 little packets of them. I'm not sure what the... I might say... was this what it came in? What did it come in? Yeah, it came in this. Doesn't say on there. 10 bags. Okay, it didn't. I was wondering whether it said weight, but I don't think it does. Sorry, I'm a little bit airheady with this cold. No, it doesn't say. But all the details will be in the link below. So yeah. Oh, sorry for my, oh gosh, this flu doesn't do you any good. Alright, I have another packet of beads. And try and get them undone. This one came with some string. It's elastic? Yeah, this one came with some elastic string. I'll open this one up. What fell on the floor? Oh, just some garbage. Alright. This one came with the string, the elastic string, and this pack of gold mix. So you've got these beautiful bugle beads. Oh, where's my pointer? Alright, look at these. These are gorgeous cream coloured bugle beads. They would look, these two would look gorgeous on vintage style things. Look at them. They're absolutely beautiful. So they look very, to me, they, to the eye, hopefully you can see in the camera, to me they look very vintage. There's some gold ones. These are little yellow clay beads. There's some gold shiny beads. Now, where's my glasses? I need to put these on. Because now I can see them. Alright, so yeah, that's a clay bead. Beautiful shiny gold beads. These ones are, what colour would you call them? Not copper, not bronze. Oh, they're a bit bronzy, these ones. These ones are a gold, but they're a flat gold. There's two different shades of gold here. They look very similar, but they aren't. And then there's these gorgeous little, wow, these are tiny, tiny, tiny little cream ones with iridescent shine on them, like a colour that shines. You know, like a little rainbow colour. So they are gorgeous pack of gold beads, they are. And all the links will be below for those beads. But yeah, I'm really loving these two. Actually, these ones have an iridescent shine to them as well, that sparkle off a little bit of colour. So yeah, really happy with this pack. Alright, so that's one pack there. And I have another pack in here. And this one was called the Autumn Mix, I think. It says seed beads, but I'm pretty sure when I ordered it, it said autumn colours. Which I wanted sort of colours that looked like a bird. So that's why I picked these colours. It's really fun doing this for Beebeecraft because you get to pick what you want to do. So you get to pick the colours and all sorts of things that you're going to work with. Yeah, how does this open? Oh, okay, it's going. I have to be careful. It slides around. Okay. Okay, so in this mix, this was called the Autumn Mix, and you've got, they look like they're, does it say what size? They look like they're 2mm. Doesn't say on the back here, but I'm pretty sure they're 2mm. So you've got a beautiful bright red, beautiful bright orange. This one here is, oh, this is a gorgeous colour. It's really hard to see on camera, but it's almost a burgundy. It's almost a dark red burgundy colour, that one is, and it's gorgeous. So yeah, that's really hard to see. I wonder if I can just move that around carefully and show you. Can you see that better? No. It is really hard to see. Right. So then we've got a gold, a gorgeous dark gold, which I think you'd call, what would you call? I'm staying there. I might need to put these in something else. No, let's shut. There you go. What are you doing out there? Oh, I'm starting to get the sweats now. Alright, this one here is a beautiful, almost like a coppery brown colour, and it just sparkles so pretty. This one is a dark, like a dark gold, and this one's a light gold. So they're beautiful beads. Beautiful coloured beads. And the camera does not do these justice. They are so much prettier in person. So I got those colours. And my last thing I got from Beebeecraft, and you've probably seen me play with these once before with a different company, I think it might have been. Was it a different company? I'm not sure. Is these connector letters and numbers. Now I wanted 2 packs of these, so I got another pack, and we can do bigger words, because then you can put your letters together and have multiple letters to make your words. So these are awesome. I love these connector letters. So we've got the alphabet, A to Z with the alphabet, and if you have a look in the description below, you'll be able to see the size. Beebeecraft has all the sizes here of each letter of the letters and numbers, so you can, you can refer to that to get a good estimate of what you want in these. And then they have numbers 1 to 9 with the naught as well. Okay, and these are great to have in your stash. Great on tags, anything, any little word you want to put together that you may not have a stamp for, they're perfect. So we'll do a little project with them as well. Alright, so they're the things that I got from Beebeecraft this time that I will showcase for you. I'm not sure which one will be the first one to come up, but we will get there with them. So just a little recap. We've got the dress die with the 5 different bodices, which is just gorgeous. So that could be so much fun. I mean, you can cut this out on anything, make it look vintage or not. You can have so much fun with it. Might even put some beads on this. This could look really cool with beads. And then there was the 4 different birds dies that you put together. They'll be fun to put together. So you can put them together with paper. I might even try some fabric with them. I got the 10 sets of the orange mixed sequins. There are some beads in there. Now with my glasses on I can see some beads. Not many, but there are some in each pack. But there's just it's a whole mix of shapes. And look, this one's got some big round ones in it. It just depends, I guess, what you get in it. It's a bit of a lucky dip mix with that colour, but I love it. And they're coming out. Then there was this gold mix of beads and the autumn mix of beads. This one came with the string and the connector letters. Alright, so they're my things from Beebeecraft for this month, and I hope you will stick around and see what we are going to do with these products, because I really appreciate you watching what I do with them, and I hope you will be inspired by them. Alright, so all the links for Beebeecraft will be below in the description box for the YouTube program, for Beebeecraft's homepage link, for each of these products you see here. They will be linked below. Alright, so pop down there, go through my links below, because it lets Beebeecraft know that you've gone through my links. And if you're inspired to buy something, don't forget to put in that coupon code Velita10 and you get 10% off your purchase at checkout. So look, I haven't had any problems with Beebeecraft. They are really lovely people to work with. All their products are sent timely, and nothing that I've ever got off Beebeecraft has been sent broken or anything like that. They pack them well, and yeah, I can't speak highly enough. Alright, so I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you real soon for a make. Bye.